हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। जीके खजाना का क्लास थर्ड है ये हमारा। आइए क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट से शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, धिवेई इज द ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ विच नेबरिंग कंट्री ऑफ इंडिया? तो करेक्ट आंसर मालदीव्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द टर्म रोहिंग्या क्राइसिस प्राइमरली इन्वॉल्व्स रिफ्यूजी फ्रॉम विच नेबरिंग कंट्री सीकिंग शेल्टर इन वेरियस रीजन्स इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया? करेक्ट आंसर म्यांमार। Next question, the Ganga Delta and coastal plains of which state are affected by storms with heavy rains almost every third or fifth day in July and August? So correct answer Odisha. Next question, which of the following is a human-made water body created by blocking the flow of river or a stream? So correct answer reservoir. Next question, from which region of the Himalaya does the river Brahmaputra originate? So correct answer northern. Next question, in which of the following country does the Brahmaputra river not flow? So correct answer Nepal. Which of the following generally form at the upper part of the river? The correct answer Georges. Next question, which term is used to describe the area of land that drains into particular river or lake? The correct answer watershed. Next question, which mountain range is triangular in shape with its apex at Ratnapuri, the other two sides parallel to Tapti and the holy Narmada river? So correct answer Satpura range. Next question, water cycle is the process by which water is circulated in the environment in different forms among? So correct answer oceans, atmosphere and land. Next question, the Nile River located in fill in the blanks has long been reorganized as the world's longest river extending 6,695 किलोमीटर. तो करेक्ट आंसर नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न अफ्रीका. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवर्स डज नॉट ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू? तो पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू से कौन कौन रिवर निकलती है ये पहले देख लेते हैं. तो चंबल नदी, सोन नदी, महानदी. गंडक नदी नहीं निकलती है. करेक्ट आंसर गंडक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द ड्रेनेज पैटर्न ऑफ द रिवर्स ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स? तो करेक्ट आंसर डेंड्रिटिक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच टाइप ऑफ वाटर बॉडी इज फॉर्म्ड व्हेन ए रिवर स्प्लिट्स इनटू सेवरल स्मॉलर चैनल्स एज इट अप्रोचेज द सीज? तो करेक्ट आंसर डेल्टा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाटर बॉडीज टिपिकली हैज द हाईएस्ट सैलिनिटी? तो करेक्ट आंसर ओशियन. From where does the river Indus enter India? Correct answer Ladakh. What is the concept of ecological niche? तो correct answer ecological niche refers to a species role in an ecosystem. Next question, the temperature does not fall beyond freezing point of water in the northern plains of India in winter because the Himalayan prevents the cold Siberian winds from entering India. Correct option. Next question, which physiographic zone of Uttarakhand is popularly known as Himadri? This zone comprises the Jaskar and sections of the Great Himalaya ranges. So correct answer northern. From which region is the westerly jet stream responsible for bringing western disturbance into the Indian subcontinent? Correct answer Mediterranean. Next question, which are the two wettest places on earth that receives more than 1080 cm of rainfall in a year? Correct answer Cherrapunji and Mawsynram. Next question, Nilgiri is one of the oldest mountain range located in the tri-junction of which three states? Correct answer Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. Next question, which of the following is the saltiest water body bordering Jordan in the east and Israel in the west? Correct answer Dead Sea. Next question, which of the following neighboring countries of India has the highest number of million cities? Correct answer Pakistan. Next question, which of the following religions is practiced by most people in China? Correct answer Buddhism. Which two water streams meet at Tandi near Keelong in Himachal Pradesh? तो correct answer Chandra and Bhaga. Next question, in which type of climate are deciduous forest and tree shaded grasslands found? तो करेक्ट आंसर ट्रॉपिकल वेट एंड ड्राई क्लाइमेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जल में निलंबित ठोस पदार्थों की बढ़ी हुई सांद्रता तथा उनका तली पर जमा होना जहां वे अवांछनीय होते हैं किस प्रकार का जल प्रदूषण उत्पन्न करता है? करेक्ट आंसर सिल्टेशन यानी गादन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, The region of the earth atmosphere where weather events occur is known as the correct answer troposphere. Which of the following can help in conservation of water? Correct answer रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, महासागरीय पटल ओशेनिक क्रस्ट अधिकांशतः विभिन्न प्रकार के बेसाल्ट से बनी होती है जो समुद्र तल के नीचे कितने किलोमीटर तक फैली होती है? तो करेक्ट आंसर ओशेनिक क्रस्ट हमारा कहाँ तक होता है? 5 से 10 किलोमीटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए जियोग्राफिक रीजन दैट हैज सेपरेट बट सिमिलर इकोसिस्टम कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय डिस्टिंक्ट क्लाइमेट इज कॉल्ड. करेक्ट आंसर बायोम होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the term used to describe the process by which water from oceans, lakes, rivers is converted into vapor and rises into the atmosphere? Correct answer evaporation. Next question, what is the process of oceanic salt acidification? The correct answer decrease in pH due to carbon dioxide absorption. Next question, which layer of the earth atmosphere is responsible for protecting life on earth by blocking harmful terrestrial solar radiation? Correct answer stratosphere. Next question, the Gulf Stream is a fast warm ocean current in which ocean? So correct answer Atlantic Ocean. Tura is situated on which hill which comes under the mild extremely humid agroclimatic zone? Correct answer Garo Hills. How much the world's water is estimated to exist as fresh water? Correct answer 2.5% fresh water हमारा exist है. In astronomy, Cassiopeia is a constellation in the northern sky that is easily identified by its cluster of how many bright stars? Correct answer 5. Fill in the blanks is a type of carbonate sedimentary rock. It is mainly composed of the minerals calcite and aragonite. Correct answer limestone. Next question, the asthenosphere is a mechanically weaker layer beneath which part of earth? It is characterized by low seismic wave velocities and high attenuation. The correct answer lithosphere. Next question, which religion has the largest population in Nepal? Correct answer Hinduism. When trapped water in an aquifer is surrounded by layers of impermeable rock or clay which apply positive pressure to the water, it is known as. Correct answer Artesian aquifer. Next question, which of the following neighboring countries of India has the state religion as Islam? Correct answer Pakistan. Next question, which was an ancient ocean that existed approximately 250 to 50 million years ago before the evolution of the Indian Ocean? The correct answer Tethys Sea. Next question, when was the National Watershed Development Project for rainfed areas launched in India? Correct answer 1990-91. Next question, what is the meaning of geological time? The correct answer geological events over millions of years. Which climate zone is characterized by hot and humid conditions throughout the year? The correct answer tropical. Next question, which is the national fruit of Bangladesh? Correct answer jackfruit. Which of the following neighboring countries of India has the lowest population density? तो correct answer Bhutan. Next question, in geology सीमा यानी कि the lower layer of earth crust is made of an assemble of rocks rich in fill in the blanks and magnesium. These two minerals are the most abundant minerals in the oceanic crust. तो इसका correct answer होगा silicate. Next question, what is the name of the southern half of the Pangea supercontinent that existed about 300 million years ago? Correct answer Gondwana. On 20 July 1969, with whom did American astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first human to land on the moon? The correct answer Edwin Aldrin. Next question, how many types of plate tectonic boundaries are there? Correct answer 3. फ्रेंड्स, आज भर के लिए इतना ही. अगले क्लास में हम ये सीरीज चलते रहेगी, हम लोग और भी क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. तब तक ये थैंक्स, बाय.